I will show you how to set a table for a formal event. Setting a table is not as difficult as it seems. However, the more formal it gets, the more confusion can easily come. To set the table, you have to know what will be served. Today I will set the table for the event that includes starter, soup, fish dish, main course, and cake with coffee and of course other drinks. To set the table, you need cutlery such as starter knife, starter fork, tablespoon, fish knife, fish fork, main course knife, main course fork, teaspoon, cake fork, napkin, bread plate, butter knife, white wine glass, red wine glass, and water glass. There are some important rules. Cutleries are placed in the order of use, from the outside in. Knives are located on the right side and forks are located on the left side. Let's start. First of all, put the starter knife on the right side. And starter fork on the left side. On the left side of starter knife, put the tablespoon. Next to the spoon, put the fish knife. On the left side, next to the starter fork, put the fish fork on the right. Now it's time for the main course cutleries. Put the main course knife on the right side. And main course fork put on the left side next to fish fork. On the left side next to the forks, it is the place for bread plate with butter knife. Butter knife put on the bread plate. If you know that waiter will serve meals on the plate, put folded napkin in the middle between the knives and forks. On the top, above the napkin, put desserts cutleries. The cake fork is placed that the handle is pointing forward the left and teaspoon is above the cake fork with its handle facing to the right. And finally, we have to put glasses. The water glass put above the starter knife. Next, white wine glass put above the fish knife. And the red wine glass put above the main course knife. Okay, our setting is ready. Now you can invite the guests. Remember that the setting is dependent on the served meals.